Hi everyone, what I have here today is the mini Wi-Fi spy camera. If you purchase the mini Wi-Fi spy camera, it comes with a package, with the box, and included in the box itself, this is the camera, right? So in the box itself, you see there's the camera, the keychain, and as well as the manual and battery, right? It's the manual, and then this is the battery. It's a CR2 battery. This camera actually is being powered by a CR2 battery, or you can purchase the optional power pack for 24 hours recording, which I will show you later on. And then there's also this little keychain that you can hook the camera to, so you can hook the camera and carry it around. Now let's take a closer look at this camera. So the camera is powered by battery, or you can purchase the optional power pack. I'm going to put the battery inside, the CR2 battery. Right? Close the cover. Right? And then there's the settings, the switch settings here, right? So there's this off, on, and settings. The spanner sign here is actually means settings. So when you first power on the camera, you will set it to the spanner sign to configure it. And after configuration, there's a one-time configuration. You can switch it to the off-on. Normally, you can use it between the off and on position. This is for configuration. So if I'm going to switch to on right now, right, you can see there's a little LED at the base. There's a little LED here. Okay, that lights up, right? And to tell you that the camera is running, right? So this is the lens. Put it nearer. Right? And next to the lens, there's actually a small little hole here, which is the microphone. Right? So this camera actually records both video and audio, and transmit it wirelessly to your smartphone. Right? I'm going to put it to off. Right? So if you need round the clock recording, you want to purchase the optional power pack. Right? Take out the battery. I'm going to show you the optional power pack. So if you purchase the optional power pack, this is what is included in the optional power pack. This is the stand for the camera, the power adapter, okay, so these are the items that are included in the optional power pack. So with this optional power pack, it actually allows you to power the camera. It's a stand plus electronic. There's some electronic component inside, and then comes with a USB connector at the back, right? You can see here. So what you do is you can actually push the camera into the power pack, into the stand. Okay. Turn this around. Okay. So in that way, you connect. The camera is able to stand, and then you can actually tilt or turn around, right? And with this, you can power your camera via the USB connector. Right? And you have several options of powering the camera, either using a car adapter. This is a car cigarette adapter, cigarette lighter adapter, right? There's 12 volt, running on input 12 volt to plug into your car. Right? You can plug it here. So you can mount this camera actually on top of your car dashboard for recording while you're on the move. Right? Or if you're at home, you can use this AC USB adapter. Right? So take note, this is it supports 100 to 240 volt, but comes with a 2-pin connector. So with this, you can actually power up the camera via AC for round-the-clock recording. Right? So if you need round-the-clock recording, you can buy the optional power pack. So you can actually take out the camera, right? It's actually mounted this way. You can take it out easily. Right? And then this is actually tiltable, and then you can turn it as well, right? So this is the power pack item included in the power pack. It's a stand, 2 adapter, and a USB cable. Right? Let's see. And in the camera, this is the optional power pack. Right? And you have to buy it separately. And in the camera package, it actually comes with the camera and the battery itself. Right? So let's take a little look on how can you use this camera. Right? There's two way of using this camera. One is for nearby recording. That is, you want to capture the video. For example, in what is happening next door in the next hotel room, right? In a nearby room up to 25 meters. So you could have a direct connection between your camera to your portable Wi-Fi devices such as iPad, iPhone, or the Android phone or laptop. Right, this is direct connection, so you can configure the camera to be a access point, a micro access point, and then all these devices can hook up to the camera to view the recording as well as to view the video as well as to record the video. Right. The other one, the other application scenario is for remote viewing. That's for long distance. Take for example, if you are in office and you want to monitor what is happening back at home, right? So what you can do is you can configure this camera to connect to your router, right? And then your router is in turn connected to the internet by broadband, DSL, cable. And then in your office, you can actually use your intelligent device like the iPad, the iPhone, Android, or your laptop, right, to connect to the internet via the internet, and then connect straight through the camera to see what is happening at home, or record what is happening at home, right? The difference between this camera and other IP cameras is it comes with applications developed specifically for this camera, right? You can use a normal browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer to connect to the camera to view, or you can use specialized apps developed for the iPhone, iPad, or the Android. These apps has to be purchased separately. It's not included in this purchase, right? So upon purchase, I will give you the link to download the app from the Apple App Store or the Google App Store, and then you can load it, and then you can do recording or view the streaming what is happening at home, right? But if you choose not to buy the application, you can still use a standard browser. Right, so the standard application makes it much easier to view because it's actually tailored to the screen size for the phones, right? So this is a short intro video for the Wi-Fi, mini Wi-Fi spy cam and the optional power pack. I hope this information is useful, and I look forward to your purchase. Thank you.